I've been studying burnout and job satisfaction in New Zealand psychiatrists for the last 3 years, and we have used Maslach burnout inventory and job diagnostic survey to find out the level of burnout and satisfaction with their jobs amongst psychiatrists. We found that around 67% of people who responded to our survey had in fact scored moderate to high on the emotional exhaustion subscale of Maslach burnout inventory, which was a reason for concern because people who are practicing in an exhausted state will find that they're not as effective as they would like to be in working with their clients, which will have implications for retention of quality staff. And as a nation, it will be struggling to continue to provide high quality service to our patients if that is how psychiatrists are feeling with their ability to practice psychiatry. The interesting thing that came out of our study was high level of job satisfaction. In other words, even though people were feeling exhausted, they were still continuing to enjoy their work. Burnout is a state of emotional exhaustion, and it's more common in human services profession. So in other words, professions in which people use themselves as tools for working with other human beings. We found that people who had scored high on emotional exhaustion tended to score high on depersonalization with time. So in other words, their attitude towards the patient changed with time, and their self-worth also decreased with time. As a nation, we need to address this issue, otherwise our ability to provide high-quality service to our people with mental illness will be affected.